Assalomu alaykum obunachilar. Men sizlar bilan Max Games. Bugun men Melisa o'ynayman. Rafina ketdi. Anichini ketganman.
So then it's a 4-1-3-2 then. Get on with an attacking midfield set up. Will it pay off? Robinson in possession. Moving down the flanks here. Lovely bit of skill there. He's running at the opposition. Here's his chance. A strong tackle.
Men shu 100 ta bo'lmoqchiman. Shuning uchun tez obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar.
Challenge. He's taken back possession. Someone has scored elsewhere. Let's see who got that first goal. He comes forward with the ball. Van Dijk with a great run. Good tackle by Kerkez.
Ko'tarib beramiz.
He failed to connect with that tackle. Oblak, what a stop.
Oblak.
Uses his head. They're so comfortable in possession. He's up to full speed now. Lovely passing here. It's whipped into the box. Saves the header. They've won control of the ball. Oh, well timed. Mbappe. What a chance. It's Haaland.
Haaland, thank God.
Deserved lead. You just knew that was coming. Picked up by the defender. Distribution from the player. First 45 minutes are over. Everything going to plan. They're leading in this quarter-final time.
Nima yaxshi. Yaman sal qo'ysa. Ola.
Another 45 minutes to go then as the referee gets us underway. Oh, well intercepted.
Давай.
Defence will
Yaman,
put out.
Yaman
And
birga bir
goal.
golmi?
It's there, it's
Gol.
Yamal. Great play.
Yaman.
He battled hard and has been rewarded with his first
Bizdan
goal of the game.
boshlanganida Yaman hisobga gol urmoqda.
Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again. Çalhanoğlu.
Yaman himoya qaytmoqda.
This is Cash.
Yaman oladi.
Alex.
Oblak olib qo'ydi. Tayyoradi bilaman.
Headed upfield. Mbappe looks comfortable on the ball. Auburn wins the ball.
Lewandowski.
This is Cash.
Ash. Ketdi yana.
Vinicius Junior, great run. What an opportunity.
Gol
It's a
Mbappe.
goal.
Mbappe.
The ball struck so sweetly.
Mana nihoyat Mbappe ham gol urmoqda. Almost like the
Double substitution today. is so good on the ball. He didn't concentrate. Poorly placed pass.
Evet.
Mbappe looks comfortable on the ball.
O
Anko wins the ball.
çarpmasın.
We've seen some big tackles today.
Olasam. Ay. Oh.
Wins the ball.
Berken.
Rare mistake from this player. It looks like this team are leading and they're taking a step
Kızıl
to the
ayağım
next
hep
round.
kaldılar
What a
için
well-timed tackle.
gittim.
He got that all wrong.
Ol. Oldu. Alalım. Tutarım. Stephen.
It's hit the
Boş
post.
dakika.
Senses a danger and
Evet.
gets it away. Long shot.
Ve
Oblak, what a stop.
3-10 yuttum. Bir dakika boş
That was a good
biri.
victory.
Ve
Through to the next
tügedi.
round and eagerly await their next opponents.
Kila sefer kanaqa videolar
For me,
yoz
that's the correct
qoldiringlar.
decision.